Hi everyone, this is Selina. I hope you're well. Welcome back to one of my videos. If you're new to my channel, my name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial weekly. So today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to crochet these beautiful little puff stitch flowers. They're really easy to make, and this is the way I crochet them. So as always, the free pattern will be on my blog selinaveronique.com. I will be linking that in the down bar, as well as all the details on how to crochet this flower. For this project, I have used, so this is DK Light 3 yarn, so I will be listing the exact brands that I used and the colours. I also used a 4mm crochet hook. You will also be needing a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle, and that's it. And I will be using US terms. So to begin this project, we are going to be making a slip knot. So just go ahead and make your slip knot and pop your hook through and tighten. Now we will be chaining 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we are simply going to be slip stitching through that first chain. So go ahead and slip stitch, and what we will be doing now is working in this center. So we are going to be working within this center. So we are going to be placing 6 single crochets into this center. So 1, and to create your single crochet you are going to do this. So place 6 single crochets into this center. So I've got 2, 3, 4, and I'm working my loose edge 5 and 6. Okay, so now that I have 6 single crochets, I'm just going to go into that first single crochet that we ever made and slip stitch through that stitch. And this is what we will have. So now we are going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as our first double crochet. And what we will be doing is wrapping our yarn around the hook and going into that stitch, and we will be doing this 5 times. I will be showing you everything, but just so you know, and then pull up a loop. And what we are going to be doing is pulling this up like that, and this is what's going to be creating our puff stitch. We are not going to be finishing this double crochet. We are going to be wrapping the yarn around the hook once again, going into this stitch and pulling once again like this. So this is the second time we've gone in, so 2, and we need to do that a total of 5 times. So go ahead, 3, pull, and 4 and 5 and pull like this. And now take your yarn and pull through all loops. And now to finish off this stitch we are going to chain 2. So 1 to close off this stitch, and a second time, and 2. And this is what it's going to look like. Now we are going to go directly into the next stitch, like so, and slip stitch through that. So just go ahead and slip stitch through that. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and we are going to be doing the exact same as what we've just previously done for our first petal, and go in 5 times without finishing our double crochet. So just wrap your yarn around your hook, go into that same stitch, pull up a loop and pull like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take your yarn and pull through all 5 like so. And now chain 1 and chain 2. And this is what the other side looks like, so the side of your puff stitch petals. So now we are simply going to be repeating this very process into each and every petal. So just slip stitch like I've just done. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now just go into that stitch and 1, pull this, 2, pull this, 3 and 4 and 5, and now pull through all stitches, chain 1 and 2 and go into the next. So I'm just going to let you carry on into the next 3 stitches, and then I'll show you how to finish off this flower. Okay, so I've practically finished this flower. So I've got my 6 petals, I've chained 2, and now to finish off, I'm simply going to go into this first single crochet at the bottom of the first petal, and I'm just going to slip stitch like so, and I'm going to snip off my yarn and pull this through. And now we've got the flower and it looks beautiful. I am going to be pulling this like that to tighten the center, and then I'm just going to snip this off like so, and I will be tidying up this loose end, and this is how I've created my flower. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.